Hi friends, welcome to the Gothic Girls collaboration accordion journal flip through. This collaboration has been hosted by myself, Creating with Jovi, Jennifer of Scrapbooks and Memories, and Bexx of Black Whisper Crafts. So, during this month of September, you have seen 21 creators create something different using the digital kit Gothic Girls. Throughout the month, I made index cards, mini file folders, and an accordion journal. For those of you who are new to accordion journals, I'm just going to show you. This is from the top view, and you can see it's called an accordion journal because that's what it is. And something I did is I sewed a few things, like this is a signature sewn into my accordion journal. I want to thank you for being here, and thank you if you followed along the collaboration to see everyone's wonderful makes, and also if you participated, an extra special thank you. So let's get into our flip through. You'll notice that on many of the pages I added lace, and that was to reinforce it because these open like this. So I wanted to make sure there was some reinforcement there. In here you'll see one of the index cards that I created, as well as an image from the printable kit. It is called Gothic Girls, and it is available in my Etsy shop. And also there are some freebies available in my Facebook group, which is called Creating with Jovi, Journals and Crafts. And also you can find them at Jennifer's Facebook group, which is Scrapbooks and Memories. This is one of the mini file folders that I made, and I put a little fun paper clip here, and I just added a couple of little pieces of ephemera to it, or I guess tags really. And I just put this here just to hold those tags inside. And here is a tag from the printable kit. I did sew this bag into the journal. Here's one of the index cards that I created. That's on a separate video of how I created these, so I'll try to remember to attach those in my description box. Also, I wanted to make sure that you all knew that attached in my description box is also all of the collaborators. So if you missed anybody, feel free to go down the list and check out their videos and get some crafty inspiration. This is one of the index cards that I made, and it's a mini also. So I did a video for the index cards and also for the file folders. I added a tab down here just to hold these tags in place. You'll see I added some lace here and there. This is the part where I sewed in a signature into the accordion journal. Oh, this is one of my favorite tags. So I took this tag and I added some images from the kit, added a die cut of a tombstone and a rub-on sticker, and then I wrapped it in this very fine gray jute rope, but I did add a back because I wanted you to be able to write on it. If I hadn't added a back to it, then the ropes would be going through here, but this way you can write on it. This will be available in my Etsy shop if you are interested. Here are some charms that I added. We got a pumpkin and a broom and a spider web, some beads, little ghosties. Right here I paper clipped on one of the mini file folders. It says free to fly, and we have this cute little moth and a flat back. And then I put a tag inside. there's some lace here and also a layer of this black and white gingham. No, it's not gingham. This is like a check. I see a paper clip here, but it's for once we get to the other side. So here are some jelly prints that I did on Amazon paper. Attached a little pocket. We have a vintage playing card. We have a photo of a skunk and a couple of tags. Oh yeah, and this is a jelly plated paper bag, which I turned into a pocket. We have a nice big tag inside. It's just got a nice rustic look from the jelly print. I really enjoyed doing that. These are not colors I typically work with, but it was fun to do it in preparation for fall. So here is just a nice big tag that I created using scrapbook paper, an image from the kit, and some leaves that are dimensional, a tombstone, and some other leaves that are flat. This is one of the file folders that I made, and if you open it up, you'll see that there is some writing space. So what I did is I took some, this might have been a paper bag from like when I went shopping, and I just stapled it into the file folder, and there you go. You have a nice, fun writing space. Here's a tag flip. I did a little bit of stenciling inside. More lace here. Ah, you guys, there's something I forgot to show you, but I'll show you this one and then I'll show you the next one. So this is the back cover of the accordion. So we're not done because we're going to keep going. But in the front and back cover of the accordion, I added some nice large tags. I do believe, yes, I did a video on creating these tags as well, so I'll be sure to link that in the description box. So here we go. Here's the accordion, and we're going to keep going. I didn't want to cover all of the images, but you can feel free to cover them if you'd like to. So this is a fun pocket. It's got some pretty purples in it, and we have this raven over here. And then this was sent to me by my friend Darcy of Misadventures with Mixed Media. And then here is a small index card. Blessed are the curious. Here we have a pocket and this beautiful girl with purple hair and a nice mini file folder. That was fun. If you have a Cricut, you'll be able to find file folders on there that you can ask it to cut, and then you can adjust the sizes to whatever size that you would like. Same with these fun index cards with the tabs already on them. I really liked that. So I cut out plenty of different sizes just so I could sort of just have fun with them. So here is the paper clip that I had seen when we were on the other side. And I added this nice file folder and put a picture inside. I have a cute little pocket down here that I just put a little tag in. Embellished with lace and these leaves. Here we have a horizontal belly band. And I've tucked in there an image from the printable kit, as well as a mini index card. Here we have a pocket and this pretty tag from the kit. This was so fun to work with, something so different to even create a kit like this. I really enjoyed it. I just had a lot of fun being creative with it. This is an altered Monopoly card. here's another one of the index cards, and I have a miniature, super miniature paper clip, and so I clipped it closed because I put a tiny tag in there. So this is what I did, is I had clipped it like right here, and then that closes up. But you can also right here if you'd like to. This is I think Amazon packaging, or perhaps a bag. This is the cover, and we're back to the beginning, but let me show you the tag inside, which is what I forgot to show you the first time. So here's the nice big tag that I created to go inside of the front cover pocket. So there's a big tag in the front cover pocket and a big tag in the back cover pocket. Well, my friends, I really hope you enjoyed this collaboration. If you missed any of the videos, go back, check them out. Like I said, I've got it listed in my description box, as well as the link to the digital kit. You can get freebies on my Facebook page. Just all kinds of fun inspiration for spooky season. Thanks for watching. See you soon.